Come with me to customize some cute onesies for my future baby using Inkjet printer transfers. I'm super excited and I'm due pretty soon, so get ready with me to customize my baby's wardrobe. First you want to do is select your images that you want to print out in your Inkjet printer. I'm super obsessed with Smisky, Miffy, Sunny Angel right now, so we're gonna go with that theme. I'm gonna do a whole bunch today, but stay tuned for part 2 because I will be doing another batch. Make sure to edit out the background so there's a clean cut around your image. Make sure you preview the background image so you can see how it's going to cut. Save paper and put all your images together so they print out on one sheet. Then you want to make sure that you measure out your baby's onesies. I'm doing a few 0 to 3 months and a few 3 to 6 months. They're about 13 centimeters wide and 13 centimeters height, so I would say that would be the max. This is the paper that I use. I got it on Amazon and it works pretty well. This is how it comes. And this is how the paper looks. It has a recognizable backside so you don't get confused when printing in your printer. I've used this before on t-shirts and beanies. You could check out my other videos for other examples. I use the Epson Eco Tank, which saves me tons on buying cartridges for ink. This is how it's gonna look when using your Cricut design space. It has the black markers on the edge so it knows where to cut. Now tape it down to your Cricut mat and send it through the Cricut cut. It should take about 2 minutes to cut your images, just depending on how complex they are, and this is how they're supposed to come out. They come out as individual images. Maybe you'll have to pop out a little white space here and there. But look how cute they come out, perfect. So I've already printed out a bunch of these. Once you have all your inkjet transfers printed out, go ahead and decide which ones you want on which items, and maybe even just lay it out to see where you want them. Make sure you peel the backing. I cannot stress this enough. You need to peel the backing off because it will not stick to your item if the backing is on, and it'll ruin the whole cut. And sometimes, depending on your design, it'll ruin the item of clothing as well. So place it where you want it and don't forget that parchment paper on top, just so it doesn't burn your cut. If you do it without the parchment paper, there's a good chance that the heat press will stick to the transfer paper and it'll burn it. And here we go. So cute. Make sure not to wear these or wash these within 24 hours. I like to leave my transfers there for at least 48 hours just to make sure. But my baby won't be wearing these anytime soon because I still have a few more months. Make sure that there's no tags or little plastic attachments on the clothing item, because once you press it with the heat press, it will melt the little plastic pieces and it'll stick to the fabric. I made this mistake so many times. So make sure you tear off all tags and remove all little plastic pieces. Position your image how you want it and go ahead and press. This one turned out to be one of my favorites, the little Sunny Angel lamb. Oh, it's so cute. Again, don't forget the parchment paper. As if it comes out really nice and smooth. And you repeat this step for however many that you want to make. Today I'm just doing probably less than 10 onesies, but I do have a lot more in stock that I want to customize, so stay tuned for a second video to see another batch of onesies. press the image for about 10 to 15 seconds. Sometimes I do a second press just to make sure that it's really on there. And here are all the ones that I made today. Super cute. Cannot wait to break them out and wash them. Using this paper, it's best worn and best for the longevity of the print to wash it in cold water and air dry, but they are machine washable and they can go in the dryer. But just to make them last a little longer, I'd like to air dry all my pieces. And there you have it. Some are 0 to 3 months and some are 3 to 6 months. Oh, this little bib is so cute. I am in love and I can't wait to make more.